Welcome to Light Tutorials. The module picker buttons in Lightroom are the headings on the top right side of the display, showing Library, Develop, etc. We are going to change the font and color styling of these buttons. Click on Edit, and then on Identity Plate Setup. In the Identity Plate Editor window, ensure Personalized is selected. Then on the right you will see the option, choose a complementary typeface for the module picker buttons. Select the font style and size as you prefer. To the right of the font size, you will see two small squares. The left one allows us to select a color for the module picker button that is selected. The right square allows us to select a color for the buttons that are not selected. Now as you select each module picker button, you will see the color change. You can also choose which of the module picker buttons you want on display and which ones to hide. Right-click anywhere in the module picker button area, and tick or untick a button as you like. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.